What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix no signal issue in Narzo N63. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I am showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your flight mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your flight mode, then go back to your home screen and reinsert your SIM card. After reinsert your SIM card, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and click on reset network settings. Now here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back and click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.